This is building number 1 here at the Bayshore Corporate Commons in San Mateo, California. Interesting.
Ooh, new recycle buttons. I haven't seen these in a while. These buttons are actually pretty rare in Northern California. I wonder what these were.
These are like really mushy. I like the way these push. And I love the blue.
Ride the other one or just do one ride?
We could ride the other one. I think it's this thing that's making that dropping coin noise.
Oh, this one's not as tall.
San Francisco elevator.
Oh, wow.
Is it like every building?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah.
2019. Around then is when these got modded.
I like how they're reflective too.
Yeah. These don't push like most of them.
Well, because it's a newer version.